Vada part for the dahi vada. Here I have about 1.5 cup of mashki dal, that is the urad dal, that I washed and I soaked for about like 2 hours at least minimum. If you can soak it overnight, that would be great. I like to add some black pepper, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger, salt to taste. Now this is your first portion. This is for the vadas. We will grind this dal, very less water, like I'll almost remove this water because you don't want it to be watery, into a paste which should not be very fine. So I'll just show that. The part, I have yogurt, that is the whole milk. It doesn't matter whether it is Indian style or not. We have a chaat masala for garnishing, red chili powder. This is about 3 teaspoons sugar, so it's like a less than quarter cup. Then I have cumin powder and salt. So this is for your the dahi in which the vadas will go. So we'll first now start with the vadas. So here's that mashki dal that I had ground to a thick consistency. What I like to do is I like to leave it out in the sun. If you see, it has some like a little fermentation texture to it. I like to leave it out in the sun for a couple hours, so it's warm to touch when you put your hand here. It helps with the fluffiness, yogurt mixture, the dahi. So I put it in here, and let's add some chilled water to it. It's not a lot because you don't want it too runny, but you don't want it too thick also. So I'll just mix it nicely. So I'll keep adding water till I have the desired consistency. Salt. Remember the sugar. You will add the sugar. And how sweet you want it or not, it's entirely up to you. So I like it a little sweet and savory. So this is all I'm going to do, and just leave it. I will not add any of the spices right now. That I will add as a garnish. So just mix it up nicely. So this is your yogurt all ready for the vadas. And now I will add all the salt, peppers, ginger. Now just mix it in. We are ready to fry them. There's some oil heating up. I have my mixed batter. And what I have here, if you notice, is some water with 2 spoons. So it makes it easy for me to drop the batter into the oil, which gives me consistent size vadas, and also easy for me to drop it in the hot oil. Here it is. Easy to drop. Easy peasy. See, they're not settling down because they have all this air in it, which makes it fluffy and soft. Let's drop some hot oil. It makes it easy when you turn it. See how big they are, almost twice the size that we dropped them in. There you go. And the last step, so we got to fry it till it's nice golden brown. And don't make sure the flame is not too high, otherwise it will be raw from inside. We'll start garnishing it. Here it is all. I like to just spread it over because it looks nice and pretty. This is the zira powder that we had. We have the red chili powder. See how nice it looks? And when you go through it, it will come in your serving also. And then of course the chaat masala. on to taste. All good, ready to go.